Right lane won, y'all. Left lane broke out.
522 breakout run for Daryl
Cameron, appreciate that sheriff on that live.
And a door car into the semifinal round of Super Pro.
Bear Screw. Look out, look out. They about to come back around. I kind of want a high link. I don't think they got no hot links though.
Semifinals of Pro coming at you with Jesse Cervantes.
Kind of take a hot dog.
And Jeremy Casey.
Oh, they got Casey, man. Them Casey something else in the finals. Hey, Quinn, see if the thing open. They still got hot dogs up there. Here. I want a hot link. If they got a hot link, get the hot link. If they got the hot dog, if they ain't got the hot link, get the hot dog. All right.
Super Pro Green. Super Pro Green to stage lane, please.
Yeah, we in the USA, Bear Screw. Check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. They closed. Dang, I should have got my. Oh, you heard him? You heard him say something? I wasn't listening, Quinn. I was acting like you. I be having my ears closed like you, Quinn. I don't hear nothing. Hey, y'all, let's hear the winner, y'all. Hey, man, what's your name?
Robert Schomer.
Who?
Robert Schomer.
Robert Schomer.
From Abilene.
From Abilene? You done came down here and won something?
Yes, sir.
What you win?
Sportsman.
You won a sportsman? You on my YouTube channel?
Nope.
Look Out Racing, man. It's going down like James Brown. Quinn, did you get... Oh, I got enough cars. Quinn, I'm about to run out.
So you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, give him one.
I mean, I'll check you out.
Yeah, I'll be flying the drone and everything, man.
Oh, badass.
Yeah, it's going down like James Brown. You know him?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I know of him.
Yeah, of him. Yeah.
They just told me to pull over here to get my picture in the winner's circle. Are you the one? Yes, sir. Okay, let us get back here.
Yeah, he finna get a picture. Watch out, Q. Let him get a picture real quick. Yeah, it's going down like Vicente Fernandez. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we got y'all, man. Y'all done came down here from Abilene and won, man. You coming back, right? You coming back now, huh?
I've been racing here for about 3 years.
Oh, okay, okay.
Second time he's won here.
Oh, it's your second time winning?
This year. Thank you. Gotta be careful, bud.
Dang, I'm about to be scared to race you. What you be dialing in at?
832.
832?
It's not that fast, but you don't have to be fast in bracket racing. You just got to run your dial. Yeah, accurate.
What kind of motor you got in here?
Pontiac 350.
A Pontiac 350? Golly, he over here winning with a Pontiac 350, y'all.
69 Le Mans.
A 69 Le Mans, man. Golly. I ain't think you can win with that motor.
It did. Man, I better get out of here because I'm in their way now.
All right. We're gonna holler. All right, y'all have a good one, man. I'm gonna have y'all on the channel, man.
Yeah, I'll watch it.
Already. Look out. Look out, hey, girl. Tell your uncle too, girl. You better tell somebody. She telling everybody, y'all. Ooh.
I have to pull the truck and trailer out of the middle of the street.
They ain't got nothing but a couple. Y'all think he gonna win something? That little bitty thing. Yeah, man. You already on there, right? I've been giving my cards out all day. Oh, you want to give me a... Oh, she already subscribed, y'all. She don't need nothing. She already subscribed. She trying to let y'all know. Tell your auntie and everybody, y'all. T.O., you know, if Mexican and everything, tell your T.O., T.I., everything, man. Tell everybody. Yeah. Attention to the pits. We're gonna need everyone in about 15 minutes. Hey, man, you got about 15 more minutes. Yeah. Yeah, man. You got about 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah, 15. That's it. You got about 15 minutes. Donald Gordon, what's up with it, man? Hey, you ready, man? I see you checking that tire pressure. I got somebody telling me he hope my channel blow up, man. Me too, man. That way I can get me a car, get on your ass. I'm trying to run you, man. I need to run you.
You need to run me?
Yeah, I want to run you, man. I need to be in the bracket class, in the finals. I want to be in the semifinals with you and aiming for you.
Come on in, I'm ready.
Oh, he already ready, y'all. I can get me some run. I don't got to get nothing as bad as him. I just got to get something that I'm willing to say. I want him. That's all I need.
That's all you gotta do.
And I just got to get up there. Anybody can get up there. Y'all. He ain't looking for nobody scary. He's just looking for somebody to get up there.
All I need is some competition.
Competition. Give him some competition because he said he running through this thing, y'all.
That's right.
Ooh, man, I need to get... Hey, y'all. Help me build my channel up so I can get me enough money. I'm going to try it. Boy, I'm going to try to knock it. You be driving, too?
No, I just work on it.
Oh, you work on it. You be working on what? You be changing the plugs, setting the time and making sure the timing. Whatever.
Whatever it needs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You get the bottle pressure and everything right?
Oh, yeah.
You used to drive?
Yeah.
What year you was driving in?
The last time I drove was 2006.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What kind of time was you running in 06?
What kind of time?
Yeah.
We run that in it. We run the full quarter then.